Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today we have these two beautiful GT3 Tourings which we are shooting, and yeah, gonna bring you along. Let's see what we can do.
Don't say you down. You gotta stand up and fight. Got to stand up. Don't say you down.
Okay, today's setup, we are using Canon 90D with the 18-35 1.8. Yeah, let's go. Bro, this lighting is mad.
This time of day is it's a bit tough.
Yeah, we got lucky with the clouds. The buildings as well, it's kind of like a diffuser. Cool. I'm gonna try frame these cars with this tree. I wanna try get more of that tree.
Of the? Of the silver one. The window. Oh, I see.
Bro, I almost don't even want to edit these. They just look so good. You know what we could do as well? This ramp over here. You could literally have like one in each lane. This is closed. You can park them both like that, reverse park them in there.
Let's show them that.
Yeah,
We're gonna do one now where we put
both here
together and
facing.
you can shoot down.
Yeah, cool. Let's do it. Let's try and grab a shot while we come down here. More.
Don't say you down. You gotta stand up and fight. Got to stand up. Don't say you down. You gotta stand up and fight. Oh, you got to stand up.
I'm gonna be a bit adventurous. I'm going in the bushes here. Anything for the shot. Oh, it's worth it.
Yeah, exactly.
No, you're good. You're good.
should have looked at that.
So we're hanging out of the back of a Jeep at the moment. This is the view. Got the camera, the whole setup.